birthday. Hi, I'm Linda Mswati.
Hi, and I'm Samuel Takawira.
And we're journalists from Zimbabwe. Trust me, I wasn't really good with my editing skills.
Now we have techniques that we have mastered, which helps us to tell the stories in a better way.
We're trying to portray the plight of a woman who's living in poverty but trying so hard to fend for her family.
It fights the stereotype that women can't do certain jobs.
It's all about also giving a voice to our local heroes. We have our own local heroes within our communities, and mobile journalism, I'm sure it really does help in covering that. He's always giving us.
I think we also need to then transfer that knowledge to upcoming journalists so that we have a fresh and a new crop of journalists that could tell stories on an internationally recognized standard.
I think Zimbabwe's future is very bright, and it is our duty as journalists to play a big role in terms of shaping this future.
Are you, as a journalist, going to help shape the future of your country?
That was indeed a very smart question. At least I'm playing my part. At least I'm doing something.
Got you, yeah. Shape the future of Zimbabwe.
I've already put the first brick.
Fantastic.